Welcome back to our district website playbook. In step 2, we'll be covering the wide-ranging topic of accessibility. We'll be talking about two primary concepts, that's compliance and responsiveness. First, you need to be cognizant of the accessibility requirements of Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973 and Title II of the Americans with Disabilities Act. These two acts are enforceable by the U.S. Department of Education's Office of Civil Rights, and a growing number of school districts have been receiving notices of non-compliance. Although there is potential for costly penalties, OCR really just wants you to update your website to match the web content accessibility guidelines found here. Don't wait for a lawsuit. Avoid the negative press and do your disabled community a service by getting proactive about this problem. You may need to work with your website CMS provider or an outside expert to get it right, and training and follow-up with all website contributors will be critical. As to the other aspect of accessibility, it's always a surprise to see so many district websites that are still either not responsive or not optimized for mobile and tablet viewing. 75 to 80% of all web residents now are multi-device users, meaning they're experiencing the web through a combination of smartphones, desktops, and to a lesser extent, tablets. If your website is not responsive, that experience will not be a positive one. Is that the impression you want to make? Not sure where you stand? You can run a superficial test by resizing your browser window. Do the objects and text on screen realign themselves as your window gets narrower? Does your menu stack or transform into a drop-down icon? For a more detailed analysis, head on over to Google's mobile-friendly test here and type in your website URL. Responsive design, or the ability to deliver a consistent experience regardless of device, is now a fundamental web development concept. Your CMS provider or in-house webmaster should be equipped with the tools and expertise available to handle this change. If not, it may be time to look elsewhere for your website needs. Thanks for watching Step 2 of our District Website Playbook. When you're ready to tackle your content, come on back for Step 3. We'll be right here waiting.